Hi everyone, this is Jack Ekholm with your weekly market update. Markets moved higher last week with the Nasdaq leading the way up about 1.5% and snapping a 5-week losing streak. The S&P 500 gained just over 1% and the Dow was modestly higher. Growth stocks outperformed value after several weeks of lagging, and on the economic front, fourth quarter GDP came in softer than expected at 1.4%, while inflation data was mixed. The Personal Consumption Expenditures Index, or PCE, which is the Fed's preferred measure of inflation, ticked higher, while the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, showed continued moderation. Markets are navigating a mix of economic and policy developments, with the Supreme Court's recent decision to strike down tariffs imposed by the Trump administration under the IEEPA, which currently account for roughly 60% of the tariffs in place. It remains unclear whether amounts already collected under those tariffs, which is about $175 billion, will need to be refunded. But the administration did indicate it will invoke Section 122 authority to implement a 15% tariff across all trading partners. But note, that would be temporary, and after 150 days, in order for those tariffs to continue, it would require congressional approval. As always, with everything that's going on, it remains key to maintain an intentional, long-term investment approach. And as always, if you have questions about the markets or your portfolio, please reach out to your trusted Paladin advisor. From all of us here at Paladin, have a great week.